Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And the first thing I want to show you is a pretty simple one. It's for the keyboard. Let me open here the notes to show you it better. And yeah, this is the main keyboard, what is very nice. If you want to use it unfolded with two thumbs, they don't fight in the middle. And yeah, if you want to use the phone with one hand, just tap here on this symbol. And then you can open a floating keyboard, which one is movable, by the way, to any position, even for the left hand and so on. And then you can use the phone with just one hand and type easily at the keyboard. But there's another nice way to use the keyboard. For that, let me tap here on the keyboard symbol again, and let's open now the standard keyboard, because you can use the phone as well as a laptop. If you fold it like this, then you can use the phone now as a laptop, and yeah, that's pretty nice. If the laptop thing doesn't work, so check out the control center. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, so that we're here at the control center, and the first symbol here should be like mine, that the rotation mode is enabled. Not the portrait mode like this, so check the two arrows here. If it's like that, then the rotation mode is enabled and the laptop feature will work. The next feature I want to show you is to increase the quality of your selfies. You're having here a front camera with 12 MPs, but you can use the rear cam, the main cam, with 200 MPs. Let me show you how this works. So let's open the camera first, then tap here at the corner on selfie. The phone is asking you then to unfold the phone, and then you have enabled here the rear cam. So by the way, the one in the middle is the 200 MP cam, the main cam. But you should know that basically this cam is shooting just pictures with 12 MPs. So if you want to have the fullest resolution, just tap here on the 12M. This is in general, by the way. You can choose it to 50 MP or 200 MP. So for the fullest resolution, it takes more storage then. So take care. Okay, then yeah, you can shoot your selfie with the shutter button, but sometimes it's difficult to reach the shutter button. So for that is a nice trick, by the way, to just lift up your palm, wait 3 seconds, and then the phone is taking the selfie. One more time, lift up your palm and smile. The next feature I want to show you is an AI feature, because you can not only look for text, you can as well look for pictures. So maybe you're surfing at the internet here and you see this guy and you don't know who this is, then just long press here the home button, because with that you will enable circle to search, and then just mark his picture and the phone will tell you this is Lamine Yamal, the football player. And what you can do as is, if you are interested in what he's wearing right now, then also long press just the home button, mark his t-shirt or a part of this t-shirt, and the phone will check on this t-shirt at the internet. So, and you can see this is the t-shirt for Spain that they have won the European Championships, and you can immediately buy it and so on. A pretty nice tool. The next feature I want to show you is about the taskbar, because you are having the symbols always anyhow which app you're using. Here are the symbols I'm having on my taskbar, and next to it you will have the last opened apps here at the taskbar. So anyhow which app I'm open, so I will have it always. What you can do is, if you use very frequently apps, then just like notes here maybe, then just long press it and swipe it down to the taskbar, and will appear always here as well now at the taskbar if you have opened an app, what is pretty nice. And if you want, you can split the screen with the phone. So yeah, especially unfolded, the screen is large enough to let run 2 apps at the same time. If you want to watch a YouTube video while you're checking something else on the internet, it's possible. Let me show you what I mean. So for that, just let's open YouTube, for example, here. And if I want to open now the web browser, for example, let me take the Chrome browser here, then just long press it and swipe it up from the taskbar. Just stop it here. And now I'm having here below the web browser, and on top I'm having YouTube and can watch something. What I can do as is, if I tap here on the 3 points in the middle, I can change it like that. That YouTube now is here, and here I'm having the web browser. I can even change it here with the arrows in the middle if I wanted to have it in another position. And what I can do as well is, if I say, okay, I want to do something next to as well, then may like to check on my notes, then just long press the notes, swipe it in, anyhow if you want to have it here, or here, or here, or here. Just leave your finger like that then, and then I'm having the notes, I'm having here, let me remove the keyboard, and I'm having here the web browser, and I'm having here YouTube. So I've opened 3 apps at the same time. And if I tap here on the 3 points at the middle, I can also change the positions. As you can see, I can always change it like that, what is pretty nice. And by the way, if I need more space, I can use also the 3 points here to make more space for the app here on top. So just check it out a bit. It's a pretty nice feature. The next feature I want to show you is pretty simple, but yeah, pretty nice as well. It's for videos. Let me go to the gallery. I've created one here already. Yeah, our little friend is jumping around here, and I can run the video in slow motion by just long pressing the video, and our friend is jumping in slow motion. I haven't recorded in slow motion. This is a regular video, just filmed with 30 frames per second, so not that much. And the phone is creating some more frames, and that allows you to use this slow motion thing. It's automatically, just hold your finger here at the video, and our friend here is jumping in slow motion. If you want to let it run in real time, just remove your finger. So pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is pretty crazy, because you can have with one phone 2 phones. So a phone with 2 spaces, maybe one space for your private stuff and the other space for your business stuff, or one space for your private stuff and the other space for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, so that you're here at the control center. Tap down here on the symbol for the settings. If you have the phone unfolded, then if you have opened the settings, you need to go down on the left here to security and privacy. And on the right, you need to go down then to find the point more security settings. And you will find the secure folder. Okay. Yeah, if you see more here, just swipe down so that you will see continue. And then you have to register with your Samsung account if you haven't done it. So if you don't have a Samsung account, then you can create one with your Google email address. So after, just tap here on more, or swipe down, and go then here on next. And the phone is creating the secure folder. So then the next step, we need to set up a PIN code, and yeah, this can take a few seconds. This is the reason why I will forward the video right now. So we are back. It took just another 5 seconds. And yeah, we will have to enter a PIN or a pattern for the secure folder. Let's take the PIN here. Let's take maybe 4 times the 9. Go and continue on done. It's too simple for the phone, but I will use it anyway. So re-enter now the code in case you have done something wrong. Just tap on OK on done. So I would recommend to you to allow it here, because if you forget about the code, then you can reset it with your Samsung account. And if you're ready with it, just tap down here on next. Okay, and I would recommend to you to close all the apps while the folder is locked. If you close the folder, then you will close as well all the apps. Tap on done. So here we are, here at the secure folder. The secure folder is an own world with an own camera, own internet browser. So all the website you're surfing on, it will only be visible here at the browser history of the secure folder, with your own contact lists, own files, own gallery. All the pictures you're taking here with the camera are only visible here at this gallery, own calendar entries, own notes, and so on and so on. And you can add also some apps if you want with the plus symbol here. You can download here from existing apps already on the phone. Then the phone will clone it here to the secure folder, or you can download apps you don't have already on your phone, and they are only visible here at the secure folder. Yeah, where to find the secure folder? Yeah, let me show you it at the app drawer. So just swipe up here at the app drawer, and here at the second page, I'm having here the secure folder. But hey, he's not asking for the PIN code. Now, usually you should ask for the PIN code, yes, but only if you turn off the screen and come back. So this is when he's asking for the PIN code. If you are having already data on your phone, which one belongs to the secure folder, then you can also transfer it. Maybe here the gallery, maybe you say your little friend, it should be at the secure folder, then long press one of his pictures, so that is marked, and now you can also mark the other ones here. Now let me swipe it up, mark the other ones here, like that, and then go on more, and move it to secure folder. And then they will disappear here. Well, no more there. Huh? Let me check now the secure folder. It is. And now our friend is only visible here at this gallery. A pretty nice mod. The next feature I want to show you is an audio eraser. Because if you have done a video and there are a lot of background noises like on the street, or it was raining and so on, as you can remove these noises later again. Let me show you how. So let's go to the gallery here, and as I've recorded here the video with my little friend, there was background noises, a lot of rain, and yeah, let me show you how to remove it. So first of all, let me tap you on the stars below. You need the Samsung account here as well, huh? And yeah, the phone is detecting the audios, and yeah, is separate them in my voice and it background noises. Now let me show you the original right now. You see there, or you hear, there is a lot of rain in the background. Now let me clean it automatically with auto, and the background noises are reduced here and are just there with 10%. So if I let run the video right now, the rain is almost gone. And if I want, I can also, if I swipe it here manually like this, I'm having no noise anymore. It's 100% off. And no background noises anymore. And I even can tap here on my voice and increase the loudness of my voice, and then I speak louder. So a pretty nice mode. So you have much, you can do much with, and just after tap you on Save Edits, and now at a copy of this video, there are no background noises anymore. Pretty nice. Yeah, we are almost at the end here of the video, and I want to show you another AI feature. For that, let's open the Samsung browser, and yeah, we're here at the career of Lamine Jamal at Wikipedia. And he faced already a lot of in his young age. And if we are too lazy to read it all, we just tap here on the black stars and go on summarize. And then the phone is giving it just the highlights of his career. What is pretty nice. And we can go a step further. If we tap another time on the black stars, we can even read the highlights aloud.
Lamine Jamal Wikipedia. Lamine Jamal.
So we can even jump forward or jump back. No, we can increase the speed and so on. We can even translate it. So pretty nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you some nice tips and tricks for the phone. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. If you want, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.